Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, basically I am going to tell you about the basically lots of comment are basically being asked by the lots of candidates that bhaiya one of the assignment was given by my teacher to give a presentation on some particular topic such as आप कह सकते हैं DA या अदर टॉपिक में भैया मेरे को प्रेजेंटेशन मिला है. सो हाउ टू सॉल्व दैट मीन्स बेसिकली किस तरह से मुझे प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना एंड हाउ टू रिप्रेजेंट दैट. ओके, सो इन दिस वीडियो बेसिकली एज अ डेमो आई एम शोइंग यू द प्रेजेंटेशन. ओके, सो किस तरह से प्रेजेंटेशन बनाना एंड हाउ टू बेसिकली स्पीक व्हाट टू स्पीक एंड दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स. ओके, सो अगर आप भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, आपको सीए या कोई अदर एग्जाम में आपको मिला है कि प्रेजेंटेशन मुझे इस पर प्रिपेयर करना, तो हाउ टू प्रिपेयर दैट एंड हाउ टू बेसिकली गिव प्रेजेंटेशन, तो इस वीडियो में बात करूंगा आज. रिमेंबर गाइस, फॉर सम क्रेडेंशियल पर्पस कुछ पार्ट में मैंने बीपिंग साउंड लगा दिया. ओके, फॉर द बेसिकली द क्रेडेंशियल थिंग्स. ओके, बट इग्नोर दैट साउंड एंड रिमेंबर दैट थिंग्स दैट हाउ बेसिकली यू हैव टू प्रेजेंट पीपीटी एंड किस तरह से आपको सबमिट करना है. ओके, तो हो सकता है बहुत सारे कॉलेज में बोले होंगे कि गूगल क्लासरूम में सबमिट करना, या समवन में से दैट यू हैव टू जस्ट शेयर टू द व्हाट्सएप अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आप शेयर कर सकते हैं, बट इसमें बेसिकली आप समझें किस तरह से पीपीटी बनाना है. सो चलते हैं अपना वीडियो की ओर. हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग. आई माई सेल्फ श्री राम कुमार फ्रॉम द department is computer science and engineering. I am going to give a presentation on the phases of compiler, which is the paper name is compiler design. Paper code is PCC CS501. I am currently in the 5th semester. My university roll number is 169. So in this basically presentation, I am going to tell you about the phases of compiler. So first of all, what are the things that I am going to cover in this presentation? First of all, I will give introduction, then theory, then logics, then some figures, and then symbol table, and at last I will give conclusion, and at the last extent I will give the reference. So first of all, introduction. So in compiler phases, so compilation process contains the sequence of various phases. Each phase takes source program in one representation and produce output in another representation. Each phase take input from its previous stage. So there are various phases of compiler. This is clear from the diagram 2. It is a lexical analyzer, then syntax analyzer, then semantic analyzer, then intermediate code generation, code optimization, code generation, and target program. So let us discuss every steps one by one. So first of all, lexical analysis. It is also called a scanner. It takes the outputs of the preprocessor, which performs file inclusion and macro expansion as the input, which is in pure high-level language. It treats the character from the source program and group them into lexemes, which is the sequence of character that go together. So lexemes are the basically sequence of character that go together. Each lexeme correspond to a token, and after formation of token, basically that are defined by the regular expression, which are understood by the lexical analyzer. So this is complete detail about the lexical analysis. Besides that, in lexical analysis, it also remove the lexical errors such as the error in character, comment, and any white space. It will basically remove. Next important phase of the compiler, that is the syntax analyzer. So in syntax analyzer, basically it analyzes the syntax. Okay, and it is sometimes called a parser. It constructs the parse tree and it takes all the token one by one and uses context-free grammar, that is CFG, to construct the parse tree. Rules for programming can be entirely represented in a few productions. Using these productions, we can represent what the program actually is. The input has to be checked whether it is in the desired format or not. So this is all things basically done in the syntax analyzer. Besides that, some other things. Okay, there are certain rules associated with the derivation tree. That is, the any identifier is an expression. Any number can be called an expression. Performing any operation in the given expression will always result in expression. So these are the various things, and lastly, the parse tree can be compressed to form a syntax tree. Moving to the next very important phase of compiler, that is the semantic analysis. So semantic analysis is the third phase of compiler, and it checks whether the parse tree following the rules of language or not, whether they are following the particular grammar or not. Besides that, semantics analyzer keep the track of identifier, their types, and expression. The output of semantics analyzer phases is the annotated tree syntax. Coming to next very important phase of compiler, that is the intermediate code generation. It generates the intermediate code. So in this phase of compiler, basically a code is generated which is intermediate, and which is the form that can be readily executed by a machine. We have many popular intermediate codes. For example, 3 address codes. Intermediate code is converted into machine language using the last two phases, which are platform dependent. So till intermediate code, it is the same for every compiler out there, but after that it depends on the platform. To build a new compiler, we don't need to build from a scratch, but we can go from the intermediate code division. Coming to the next very important phase of compiler, that is the code optimization. So code optimization is an optional phase and it is used to improve the intermediate code so that output of program could run faster and take less space. It basically removes the unnecessary lines of codes and arrange the sequence of statements in order to speed up the program execution. So in basically code optimization, program execution process basically increases. That coming to the last very important phase of compiler, that is the code generation. So code generation is the final stage of the compilation process and it takes the optimized intermediate code as input and maps further them into the target machine language. Code generated translate the intermediate code into machine code which is of the specific computer. So this is the complete detail about the various phases of the compiler. Now coming to the one important point, that is the symbol table in compiler. Symbol table is basically very important concept and it is the important data structure created and maintained by the compiler in order to keep track of the semantics of the variable. So it is very important and it also follow the basically all the same pages, that the lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generation, code optimization and target code generation. So this is the complete things about the symbol table. Besides that, it basically built in lexical and syntax analyzing phases. The information is collected by the analyzer phases of the compiler. It is used by various phases of the compiler, that is the phases that I have already discussed. So this is the complete detail about the phases of compiler. Coming to the conclusion, so we can say that compiler is a software that translates the code written in one programming language to another. Example, we can basically convert G++ from GNU family of computer. Besides that, as I have already mentioned, that there are 6 phases of compiler: lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantics analysis, intermediate code generation, code optimization and code generation. Besides that, symbol table is a data structure that the compiler generate and maintain to keep track of semantics of the variable. Compiler can apply various optimization technique to the code, such as the loop unrolling, dead code elimination. So these are the various things about the compiler. Last point, we can say at last that compiler help in increasing the productivity of the developer. So this is the complete detail about the phases of the compiler. For getting the information, we have taken the reference, that is from the geeks4geeks.org, then www.javatpoint.com compiler phases, www.google.com, then HoloLove, which is one of the important book of the compiler design in C by PHL. So this is the complete detail about the phases of compiler.